Introducing the latest addition to the DSA catalogue, Readable. Essentially a text-to-speech software that enables all forms of text to be accessible to everyone, regardless of reading ability. With the choice of voice, screen view, ruler, customizable toolbar, and with the unique mouse move control, Readable gives the user all the tools to recognize, process, and retain data from text.
Hello, I'm Serena, a voice of Sensory Readable. Sensory Readable is software that converts any text into speech and reads it back to you. You can use Sensory Readable to listen to documents, notes, web pages, or anything else you have written.
I'm Daniel, another voice in Sensory Readable. Sensory Readable supports your writing skills. By listening to your own text, you can spot mistakes, awkward sentences, and unclear expressions.
After the joys of applying for student finance, the thought of filling out yet another form is hardly ideal. But with this guide, the whole process of applying for DSA will seem like a breeze. Sensory Readable can enhance your comprehension skills. By listening to text, you can improve your understanding of complex or unfamiliar topics. You can also retain information better and recall it later. Readable is fully supported by iView Learning, providing a catalogue of bite-sized instructional tutorials to support the software. Sensory Readable, the latest in text-to-speech software.